Here are 3 key roles that contribute to success in various areas. 1. Self-discipline. Self-discipline role in success. Self-discipline is crucial in staying consistent and focused on your goals. Whether it's learning new skills, managing time effectively, or staying motivated, this trait helps you overcome distractions and challenges. Example: a freelancer who manages their time well and consistently delivers quality work builds a strong reputation and attracts more clients. 2. Adaptability. Role in success. The ability to adapt to new situations, technologies, or environments is essential in today's fast-paced world. Being open to change and learning helps you stay competitive and relevant. Example: a developer who quickly learns new programming languages or platforms will have a greater chance of landing more job opportunities. 3. Persistence. Role in success. Persistence allows you to push through failures, setbacks, and challenges. It's about not giving up, even when things get tough, and continuously striving toward your goals. Example: an entrepreneur who keeps refining their product or strategy, despite initial failures, is more likely to find success in the long run. These roles can help you navigate both personal and professional challenges, driving you closer to your goals.